to know the tea about. Ain't this cute? Okay, I wanted this. I've been eyeing this for a long time. I know everybody been seeing this on Instagram and you like, ooh, what that do? I love skincare. I love little products like this. So I just wanted to do like my first impression on this. I opened it up. I have not used it. It came in its box. It comes with the wand. Girl, I feel fancy. Tell me, it comes with a stand? I didn't even know. It comes with a stand and it comes with a charger for the stand. When it comes in, it comes with instructions. The Luxe Skin LED Rejuvenating Wand. It's the user manual. So the benefits of the wand, I'm just going to read it straight from here. You can see results in as little as 1 session. That's what they're saying. We shall see. Softens lines and wrinkles. Clear up acne and blemishes. Prevents any signs of aging. Clear up dark spots and hyperpigmentation, and it is suitable for all body areas. So what that mean? That mean I can use it down there? It's gonna clear up? Okay. Anyway, the reason why I decided to get this device is because I want to help with these dark marks. They're fading, but if there's anything that's gonna speed up the process, I'm definitely down for giving it a try. So you know how you have that dark little area right here? Like I said in previous videos, I have hormonal acne. The vitamin A and zinc has helped a lot with that, but I still do get pimples every now and then when I'm stressed out, when I just haven't been consistent and faithful with my skincare regimen. We're human. You are gonna break out. If you don't, kudos to you, girl. Kudos to you. So you must not be here for the acne benefits of it. But I am here for the acne benefits. Also, I want to see if it's going to help decrease any kind of bumps, or if it's going to allow it to go down faster. If I see that the pimples that I do get, are they less red? Do they heal faster? And when they heal, do I not get the post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation that I normally get? So we're going to see. So you start off with clean skin, and we're going to apply a water-based moisturizer or a serum. I have my niacinamide from The Ordinary. That is what I'm going to use. This is water-based, so I'm going to be using that. Basically, it says you can turn it on by hitting the power button. 2 buttons on the device. That's the power button. It lights up, and then I'm not sure if you can see, but they have a screen. It's pretty cool. There's a screen that the more you hit the power button, you'll see the bars raise up, and it increases the intensity of the light. And I believe it goes, yeah, it goes to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then it cuts off. The red light is used to treat wrinkles and enhance regeneration of collagen. So that is what the red light is for. And in order to change the lights, you just hit the LED. Yeah, the LED selection. And it goes to 8. This cool. This cool. Okay. The green light, this is mainly what I bought this for. It's used to treat dark marks or discolored skin by working to prohibit the overproduction of melanin. So basically, the green light is supposed to inhibit the production of the melanin that we get after acne or a blemish. And see how you get the little dark mark. Okay, next, the blue light. The blue light is helped to treat acne and oily skin. I have oily skin, but I'm not really, I don't know, I'm not tripping on that. But that's good to know. I may use it. I don't know. I may be using all these colors. I don't know. Yellow light is used to brighten the skin or dark areas. So I guess I could use the green and the yellow to help with the dark marks and see if we see a difference at all with this. The last light is the pink light. How cute. That's cute. The pink light is used to whiten the skin. I'm not going to be using this pink light. I don't need to whiten my skin at all. So based upon the LED modes, I feel like I will be using the red light, the green light, and probably the blue light. I'm probably going to use all the lights, just not that pink light, because I don't need to whiten where I don't want to whiten nothing but my eyeballs. That's all I want, in my teeth. I just wanted to do that quick little summary of it. I think I'm going to start off with the green light. I've already cleansed my skin. Let me use some hand sanitizer because I've been touching this hair. And I just want to make sure my skin and my hands are clean before I apply the niacinamide. So the niacinamide is water-based and it is great for blemishes. It's great for decreasing dark marks. So I just feel like this has to be a win-win. So intensity, let me start off with 3. Now if y'all saw my other video with the, what do you call that, the laser hair removal, girl, I thought I could start off with a 3. So let's see. So it says that you're supposed to start from bottom to top, inside to out. Whoa, ooh, ooh, ooh. It's like tingly, y'all. Ooh, I can feel the electricity or whatever this is. The light therapy. Oh, it's like a magnet. It's like, whoa. It gets really tickly. It gets tickly the closer I get up here. You can actually feel, the light. You can feel it. It's like a magnet or something. Like you can feel the light just increasing, I don't know, circulation to your skin or something. It's like it's just pulling something. You can just, cause what I thought was, okay, it's just a light. These little metal plates are just whatever. I don't know. But oh my goodness, girl. Ooh. Girl, it's like I don't know, I feel like you can feel it. It's something. This is real. This is so cool. Pretty sure the slower you go, the better. But I can feel, man, it's like tingly. It's like you know when you went to the children's museum and you used to touch that electricity ball or whatever? That's what this feels like. It feels like zzz, kind of on your skin. What? I think for the green light, I'm just gonna mainly focus on the lower part of my face because this is where I have the dark marks. Now it's supposed to cut off after 10 minutes of usage. I wish I would have set my timer so I can know where I'm at. But it does say time 10 minutes, but I don't see where it's like, it's not counting down or anything. So I really don't know where I'm at. So now I think I'm going to switch to the red. And I really want to see if it decreases any kind of acne that I get, any blemishes that I may normally get in this area because this really is my problem area. And with the red, I'm gonna go everywhere with it because shoot, it's supposed to help with acne, prevent wrinkles. Oh, I'm going everywhere. So I'm trying to make sure I follow the directions. I'm gonna use aloe vera gel. I love aloe vera gel. It's the best thing. So I'm gonna put that. Ooh, ooh. You can definitely tell the difference. So you definitely need to use some kind of water bait. You need to just keep on reapplying or something. Ooh, the coat when I get up here, it's a I can up here it's a I can. Y'all see that? I'm not doing it. It's like it's making my eyes shut. Oh, I'm gonna. So you're supposed to do this 3 times a week max, and you're supposed to use it for 10 minutes only. Just 10 minutes 3 times a week. I want to see a difference. I'm definitely going to continue to use this. It's cool. It's definitely cool, but it's definitely something that you know you're gonna have to be consistent and faithful with everything else in life. Oh wow, this is amazing. I'm excited to use this. This is just fun. Let's see the skin. Oh girl, the skin looks dewy, hydrated, rejuvenated. Okay, the Luxe Skin LED Rejuvenating Wand. First time using it, it's a go. I like it. It's cool. If you're into skin, you have to be into skincare. If you're watching this, you're into skincare. You love trying new products. You love trying new devices. You want a youthful appearance, you know? So if you clicked on this video, you are interested in stuff like this. Me too, sis, bro, whoever. I'm the same way. This is cute. Tell me you don't feel like luxury. This is like, it comes with a little stand, girl. I'm about to keep this right in my bathroom. And I'm gonna look at it every day when I wake up in the morning. It's so pretty. I love it. Where we've come with technology and being able to do stuff like this in the comfort of your own home, it's a go for me. I like it. This was, how much was this? I have to look. Because they always have a sale. I think maybe it was like $40 or something. I can't even remember. But I'm going to make sure I put the link in the description box below. My skin feels amazing. I look awake. I look alive. I'm ready to fly. Like, I look good. Alright friends, so that's it for this video. Make sure you are subscribed. Hit that subscribe button so you can follow my progress, my journey with using the Luxe Skin LED Rejuvenating Wand. If you want to see before and afters and keeping you guys updated with everything, my results, how I'm loving it, how the machine continues to work, my intensity, all that. Make sure you leave a comment below if you want me to do like a full skincare routine using the device. Any questions that you have, make sure you leave them in the comments below. I am also on IG. I respond quicker to IG, so make sure you follow me if you want to. _Chrissy Faith. That's it. All right, friend, I'm gonna see you in the next one. Bye.